And this video is in the niche of my luxury content, and I'm definitely kind of honing in on that because it's actually near and dear to my heart. So actually when I realized, like, I definitely got a lot of really nice things that I guess other people consider luxury, but I also consider them luxury as well. Hey, sweetie fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm favorite patron Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, y'all, I'm super excited to be back with another video. Now, if y'all not a part of the sweetie fam, go right down there to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. And if you have not noticed, I've been dropping some crazy content. So click the bell. You gotta click the bell so you can be notified if you're already part of the sweetie fam. Thank you so much. And I really appreciate the love and support that you have given me throughout my time as a YouTuber. So if you have not noticed, I got a new banner on YouTube and it's super cute. And shout out to YouTube that teaches you everything, literally everything. And I definitely just did my thing with my new banner, so shout out to YouTube on that. But we're gonna get right into the video. So one of the brands that I had never heard of, never experienced, never knew anybody with that brand is Bebe before I actually was introduced to it. Michael Kors, Coach, and Dooney Burke was like my top 3 brands that I know about. I knew about those, you know, way back when I was young. But Bebe was one of the brands I found out when I was in college. So as we all know, when you're in college, you're a struggling student. And I went to college in Chicago, and there was a store called the Water Tower, and which is still there, still thriving. And one of the brands, one of the big stores in the Water Tower, and if you've ever been to the Water Tower in Chicago, it is on Michigan Avenue. It is definitely a sight to see, so go there. It has multiple floors to go to, and they have nice eatery at the bottom, okay? But one of the stores they had in there was Bebe, and I was like, what is this? Kind of was like, oh, like, what is this? They had some of the most bomb jewelry, and my experience with jewelry at that time was like dots, you know, just kind of whatever I can get my hands on. Charlotte Russe, I think at that time it was a West Seal. I would, you know, wear their jewelry. But the way Bebe's jewelry is very classy, very fashionable, not like costume, but it was also expensive. And I was just like, whoa, 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 why would you pay $40 for some bracelets or some bangles, you know, or $60 for a necklace? Like, no, I could get the same necklace for like, with the bangles, earrings, and bracelet for $16 at, you know, such store. But the reality was, it was like I was like gravitated, like I gravitated to Bebe, and I love the store. So I always said when I get some money, I'm gonna shop at Bebe. Eventually, the store in the Water Tower closed down because now you can get Bebe, but you can also get Michael Kors and Coach and all that, and like Ross. What is that? TJ Maxx, Marshalls, things like that. So the first bag I have, I do not know the name of it, and I could not find any of the names of these bags. But traditionally, this is a shoulder bag. So we're gonna start with our wool gray shoulder bag with the woven stitching on the front flap, and it has the Bebe emblem here. So we're just gonna bring it closer to you guys so you can see that I've had this bag since early 2016. I did get this bag at Ross, and when I saw it, I fell in love with it. So we're just going to turn around so you can see the back as well. You also see there is the woven stitching, which gives a diamond shape in between each of the stitching. So that's like really nice. Around the edges, there is a double lined stitching to give another type of pattern, which is actually really cute. It comes with the link gold chain, if you can see that here, for the shoulder bag. And it also comes with the leather connected to the link that actually that goes on your shoulder. I told you the front flap, when you open it, The leather is very smooth. The way the pattern on here is very just connected, like it just connects across, it connects top to bottom. There is a zip pocket here. In the inside, there's also another, you know, 2 flat pockets with the stitching in between the flat pockets where it does not have a closure in it. Very deep, and I'm just going to show you what the inside looks like. It's very deep, nice, good enough for a wallet. Also a change wallet as well, which are 2 different wallets if you didn't know. And it has the magnetic buttons here where you can close that flap. Okay, now the link chain is hooked to these pieces here, and that also is hooked here. It's secure. It do have like 2 nails on each side, but I've never had any issues of them coming off. I've worn this purse quite a bit. Like I said, I've had this purse for, what is that, almost 6 years. So I've had it for a very, very long time, and it was one of my go-tos. Now, because I don't have this color in any other bag. This wool gray color, I do not have it in any other, or steel gray. Some people call it steel gray or wool gray. I do not have it in any other bag. But also with this purse, I got the Bebe wallet. And this is kind of like the traditional wallet size. It definitely has the Bebe emblem here. Has the flap you can open, which has the magnetic button that you could just easy simple. We have the change pouch on the back, put your change in, and also an open fold here where you can put cards, you know, whatever you need to stick in there. Opening up the wallet, it is traditional card slot holders here. Actually, I'm going to turn it upside down. Card slot holders, as you can see, there is a plastic card holder for like your ID if you just want to show you don't want to pull it out. There's also a zipper here for you can put more change in. And there are bigger slot holders, bigger slot holders, about 3 or 4 of them inside of the wallet. The purse was $39.99. The wallet was $19.99. Definitely a good price for the 2-piece together. They are not in the same collection, but they definitely went together, which is why I purchased it. Now, when I told you about this purse being deep enough for a wallet, simple, easy. So that's another reason why I got the 2 pieces together, because I could just put the wallet inside of the purse and it was matching. And about 6 years ago is when I really started getting really matchy about what my purses was. So at one point I would get a Michael Kors Coach purse or something like that, and I would just go to like Walmart or something, get a wallet. But this is really when I stepped my game up, when I would like my wallet to match my purse. Right? Now, later on in 2016, this was early 2016. So I got this in February 2016. But later on in 2016, I would say late summer. So this was probably like late August. I obtained this wristlet from Bebe. And this is a dark purple velvet, crushed velvet fabric on the wallet. It has the woven stitching where it creates a diamond, you know, every other area, or like, you know, it's opposite of each other. It also has a flap here where you can carry it like this, which a lot of women carry their bags, and there's an option where you can carry it like this. Okay, and this is just a traditional wristlet. It has the zip here. As you open it, here there is a zip pocket for change, lip gloss, things like that, which has a closure in it because it's a zipper. And then you have the regular flap pocket or just open pocket, depending on who you are and what you say. Deep enough to put a small change wallet in there, but you got the zip portion for change. You can, you know, throw your cards in there if you have a little card slot, a mini card slot of a wallet. Because like my husband, his wallet is literally just a card slots. It's no more than about this big, and it just really has slots in it. So it doesn't have a billfold in it. So this would be good enough for that. This was, like I said, purchased in late summer of 2016. Again, it was very hard for me to find the names, so I was not able to obtain the names of Bebe. And these items I purchased on my own when I really started stepping my game up when it came to the type of bags that I purchased. I purchased the gray wallet and a shoulder bag from Ross, and the crushed velvet purple bag from TJ Maxx. Okay, do not sleep on TJ Maxx, y'all. You can definitely get some great things from TJ Maxx. Now, the quality on both bags are really good. Now, the one thing I do say that over time has taken, you know, a turn for the worse is the gold link chain that is on the handle of the bag, as well as the pieces that is connected to the gold link chain. The gold portion, which is obviously plated, it's not real gold, is peeling. And like I said, I've had this bag for 6 years, and in the beginning I really didn't take really good care of my bags, which if you have not seen my Oldie but Goodie luxury bags, like my first 2 bags, go and watch that video. You'll see Lil Mama was not taking good care of her bag. So that's another reason. But now the way I take care of, like, they're literally hanging up and they're off the ground, so it's not, there's like no pressure, I'm just taking better care of my stuff, right? It's time. The wristlet has always sat like on the shelf.
Apologies, I couldn't hear what you said.
Girl, the disrespect. The wristlet has always sat on the shelf, so I never had any problems with keeping that. I never had any problems keeping the wristlet clean and, you know, not getting any bruises, bumps, you know, any stitching coming out of it, because it always just stayed on the shelf. I definitely think Bebe has a really good material, really good fabric. It's been about 6 years, 5 to 6 years since I have both of these bags and the wallet. Or should I say the shoulder bag, the wristlet, and the wallet. It's been about 6 years, and I can't deny that it looks really good. And I also have multiple bags, so I don't normally stay using the same bag for a long period of time. So that's another reason why my bags look really good. The reason why I chose the shoulder bag is of the color. I, at that time, had purchased some wool gray 12s, which are Air Jordans, and I wanted something to match that. Gray is, I would say, one of my secondary favorite colors. I definitely look good in gray. I have gray on now, and that was not on purpose, I promise you, but definitely one of my favorite, you know, I would say secondary favorite colors, which is why I got this. I have tons of gray dresses and things like that. It was something really classy. I thought it really stepped the game up when it came to the type of purses I carry, because I'm big on crossbody. Crossbody all day, all day, all day, all day. So this wasn't a really big bag, but it definitely gave class. I got so many compliments on this bag. So that's the reason why I got this bag. But I didn't know I was going to get the compliments to, you know, after I got the compliments. But it just gave a different look for me when it came to bag. Now, the wallet. The reason why I chose the wallet is, let me turn it around for you, is because it matched the bag. And like I said, this was the first time I really wanted my bag, my shoulder bag, or whatever purse I was carrying, to match the wallet. You know, you gotta have one. When you flip out the purse, you gotta flip out the wallet to match. Y'all feel me on that? So that is the reason why I chose the wallet. Purple, violet, Kelly green, and Columbia blue are literally my top 3 favorite colors. One, you know, is just as important as the other. This is very close to the violet that I like in the purple. So that's the reason why I chose this bag. And that crushed velvet, very smooth. The velvet look, the woven stitching just says enough, okay? This was my go-to bag for a little bit, just enough, you know. I could fit my phone in here. I could fit a lot of things in here. So this was my go-to bag for a minute. And then the shoulder bag, I'm not gonna say it's my go-to bag as if I'll take it to work, but if I was going out, I tried to match it with the gray, all right? And I'll probably wear the gray bag, gray shoes, and then pop it with, you know, gold jewelry, That was kind of my thing for a little bit. So it wasn't my go-to bag as in every day for work, but it definitely was if I was going out, if I was, you know, hanging with the girls. That was my go-to. The reason why this wool gray bag is not my go-to bag now is because the gold plated link chain that's attached to the strap, it's, you know, peeling. It's not in the best shape. So I probably need to just get rid of it and find me another bag. But I'm not going to get rid of it until I find another bag this color. I can keep the wallet. The wallet's in great condition. But I really want another bag. I really just would like another one of these bags. And I haven't been able to find one. So if you see around this bag, please hit me up on all social media platforms. Okay? Let me know. I will pay for it. No more than about $60, but I'll pay for it. Okay? I really love this bag. Yeah, I really love Bebe, and I think Bebe is very much slept on. It's definitely one of those brands that I don't think is a hit miss. I definitely think that you have to either love the brand or hate the brand, and that's just kind of where I am. I think everybody wants a Louis. That's just how I feel. Everybody wants a Chanel. But for me, I just have a different type of vibe when it comes to the luxury items that I have. And Bebe gives me that. Bebe makes me feel glamorous, classy, okay, with a little sassy. So that's why I rock with Bebe, okay? Now, if you're not a part of this Sweetie family, go right down there to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified because I drop videos every Tuesday and Thursday at 8 a.m. And if you have been kind of, you know, hanging with me these last few weeks since like late April, early May, like I've been going crazy on the content. So that's why you need to click the bell so you can be notified because I'll be dropping videos. And that's on period. Now, comment down below if you're a fan of Bebe or if you've never heard of Bebe. Y'all, I am forever Patra Denise. And y'all be sweet.